Welcome to JH. I will guide you through using the Plus500 trading platform. If you are a newcomer, there is no need to worry. This tutorial covers everything you need to know. By the conclusion of this walkthrough, you will have a solid understanding of how to start and navigate the world of online trading with Plus500. Established in 2008, Plus500 has grown into a major online platform specializing in contracts for difference, or CFDs. If you are unfamiliar with CFDs, let's clarify that concept before exploring the interface. A CFD is a financial tool allowing traders to speculate on price changes across various assets without actually purchasing the underlying item. This enables you to trade on the value of stocks, forex, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies without owning them directly. A primary feature of CFDs is leverage, which lets you manage a large position using a relatively small amount of capital. For example, you might only need a tiny portion of the total trade value to open a position. While this can boost your profits, it also magnifies potential losses, making risk management essential. Plus500 offers several tools for this, which we will discuss shortly. The platform is built to be user-friendly, particularly for those just starting out. A standout feature is the free demo account, which is perfect for practicing without risking actual funds. You can navigate the site and execute trades to learn the mechanics before committing your own money. To begin, register for an account at plus500.com. Locate the large sign-up button and click it to enter your personal details. Like most financial services, Plus500 follows strict regulations, so you must complete a verification process by providing identification and proof of residence. This is a standard security measure to protect your account. I strongly suggest using the demo account first, as it perfectly replicates the live trading environment without any financial risk. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard where all activity occurs. Here, you can view your balance, active trades, and various tools. The interface is organized and simple, making it ideal for beginners. In the market section, you can research available assets using real-time data to make informed choices. You will find categories like top risers, fallers, commodities, and forex. Use the search bar if you have a specific asset in mind. When you select an asset, you can choose to buy or sell. If you expect the price to climb, click Buy. A window will appear for you to enter trade details, including the amount. Plus500 will display the required margin, which is where leverage applies since you only pay a fraction of the total value. Crucially, set your risk management parameters here. Use a stop loss to close positions automatically if the market drops, or a take profit to secure gains when prices rise. Trailing stops are also available to lock in profits as the price moves in your favor. After confirming, monitor your trade in the Open Positions area of the dashboard. This shows your current trade value, profits, losses, and margin levels. You can manually exit a trade at any time or let your automated levels handle it. Plus500 supports a vast range of assets, including stocks, currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Each has unique risks. Forex is influenced by economic news and interest rates, while commodities like gold or oil react to supply, demand, and even weather. Indices allow you to trade on the collective performance of groups like the S&P 500. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are highly volatile, offering both high risk and opportunity, so keep a close watch on those markets. The platform provides numerous tools for better decision-making, such as historical price charts. You can customize these with technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to spot trends. Beyond technical analysis, Plus500 offers fundamental data, including earnings reports for stocks and economic releases for forex. Staying updated is vital, as markets shift rapidly. Use the News and Insights section for updates on global events. You can also configure price alerts to notify you when an asset hits a specific target, helping you manage entry and exit points. As you gain experience, use the Positions section for detailed trade breakdowns or review your history to learn from previous outcomes. When trading, always start with a clear objective. Determine if you want quick gains or long-term growth, as your strategy depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Continuous learning is key. Utilize Plus500's educational resources, including articles, videos, and tutorials on topics like chart reading and leverage. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use the demo account even after going live to test new strategies safely. Finally, remain patient. Trading is a skill that requires time and effort, not a way to get rich quickly. Learn from your losses and adapt. Plus500 is a robust, beginner-friendly platform with all the tools needed to grow. By making informed choices and managing risk, you can navigate the markets with confidence.